Hey everybody, I'm Nick, also known as the Bearded Housewife. Welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what that video series is, it is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 days of fun card tutorials. Today we're talking about this fun gingerbread man insert card. It has a fun and sweet, pun intended, background that is written with your Cricut machine. It says sweet holiday wishes, and it kind of creates this cool background that pops the gingerbread man out. This card can be made on any of your Cricut cutting machines. The Cricut Joy version does use the Cricut Joy insert packs, so that includes that included white envelope. However, the Cricut Explore and Maker version includes an envelope that carries on the theme of the card. If you haven't yet, make sure that you hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. To access my free file library, we're going to head to my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password to enter. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library, type in the password, and click Enter, and then you'll be brought to all the files. Now, at the time of this recording, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife projects loaded into my file library. So there is a graphic that is popping up right now that will tell you the design number of the project that you are watching the video for. So you will click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Go ahead and unzip that file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight that image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now I know when you first upload the image into Design Space, it's going to look a little funny, but don't worry about that. We're going to first make sure that we have the right machine. I'm using the Joy for this tutorial, so I have to change my machine type to Joy. Now I'm going to go ahead and ungroup the design. I'm going to click on the text layer, that's the top layer right here, and I'm going to go to Operation and change that to Pen. See? Now everything is just like it's supposed to. Now you need to change your color of your pen to whatever you prefer. I'm going to use brown, but there isn't a brown selection, so I'm just going to select Moccasin because it's the closest to the brown color. Then highlight that group and click Attach. Now I can click the Make It button. And because I'm doing this in two different mats, I'm going to use the card mat for the insert layer, or I'm sorry, the card mat for the insert card, and then the standard grip mat for the insert. So I'm going to select multiple ways, and done. For the insert card itself, I need to change the material load type to card mat, and I'm using the smaller of the two insert card packs, so I'm going to select 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now, just a little tip to make sure that everything centers on the card properly. Click on the image and drag it down as far as it will go to the right-hand corner, lower right-hand corner. That way everything is centered on the card as it's supposed to. Now, for our insert layer, change the material load type to on mat. And now we can go ahead and continue. I'm going to select Insert Card Cardstock, and now I'm going to go ahead and load the mat and then cut everything out. Step 4. Cut out the design. Okay, for this project, you're going to need obviously your cutting machine, the card mat and the standard grip cutting mat, your weeding tool, Cricut brayer, Cricut scraper, glue, the Cricut pen in the color of your choice, insert card, and then the insert. To place your card into the card mat, you slide the inside behind the sticky part. Put it down, make sure that we line up the edges really good, and then give it a good press with the brayer. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, we can go ahead and just do our quick assembly. Go ahead and open up the card, take your insert layer, and just feed it into the slits in the outer card. Kind of push everything into place. I like to take the back of the card, push it forward, and then go ahead and give the whole card a little bit of a press. There we go. You can put a little glue here if you would like in some spots that are kind of raised up, but everything looks good to me, so I'm going to keep it the way that it is. You see that? I love how the words kind of make the gingerbread man pop out a little bit more. Sweet holiday wishes. Wasn't that easy? I love how that text really makes the image kind of pop out. It is such a fun card to make. If you make this card, make sure that you tag me in social media. Hashtag holidays with the housewife or hashtag bearded housewife. I would love it if you shared your Cricut cards with me in my Facebook group. Search Cricut Cards and Paper Crafts with the Bearded Housewife. There's also a link in the description below. I hope to see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.